look at this.
All about travel. I really need to quit looking at those lights because that is brutal on my face. It's like, oh, my eyes, I'm blind. I wonder if I got rid of this altogether, though. No, that's way more fun with that. This setup, there was an obnoxious lighting setup. Makes my hands look really big. Keep them close to me so I don't look so big. Big, not so big. Big, not so big. All right, let's do this. Scarf on the problem. Hello, can you hear me now? Check, check, 1, 2, 1, 2. I did it. So we do the Esquire for this intro? What do you think? I think we should. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. That's so Oh my gosh, this is so crazy looking. This was not even intended to be set up like this. This is what's nuts. This was intended to be something completely different. It's like Monty Python, and now for something completely different. All I did was just set my light here, camera. I was like, oh, let me see what this looks like. And I went, oh, it's so rad. It's like I'm being interrogated with a really big person behind me. Okay, let's do this. And, hero, and edit. All right. You really don't have to do that. Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. Today's topic is, what are the benefits of travel and how does it impact art? For real, though, that is like a crazy question that for me as a wanderluster, I could pretty much leave and never come back. I have to take Christine and baby Stevie with me, of course, but I would leave and never come back because I want to see as much of this planet as possible. And it has impacted my photography and filmmaking exponentially every time that I go somewhere. Case in point, I truly believe that Leica cameras are intended to capture art and the world around us in the same way that the great masters like Michelangelo had painted the amazing works of art that they've done in their career. It's just it captures the light differently. I would never have seen that if I never took my Leica M8, my rangefinder, to Europe and traveled all over with it, or used Nokia phones when I travel, or use iPhones, or whatever it might be. It all varies. And then I get to see all the colors and the architecture and the people. And one of the things that I've learned from traveling all around the planet 3 times is that, well, we're all the same. Like, literally, we are all the same. Anybody that says that we're so different is fooling themselves. We are entirely, so many ways, the same. Basically, it just boils down to people want a career, an education, family, hobbies, fun, you name it. It all relates to all of that. So that's one of the things I absolutely learned and loved, and I've incorporated that into my artwork. What about you? Do you travel, or do you just kind of stay local? I'd love to be able to see and hear and learn more about what you do and how the traveling and the wanderlusting impacts your artwork, whether it be writing or photography, filmmaking, sculpting, basket weaving, claymation, whatever it is. I'd love to be able to check it out. Okay, I'm clearly over 3 minutes. I have no idea. I'm just kind of rolling with this because I've got like about another ton of outtakes at the beginning of this reel too. So let's wrap it up. All right, hold on. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at some point in time, a bit weird. If you are a subscriber, yay, congratulations, woo, yay. I gotta be careful, man. This light is like right there, it's like right there. If you're not a subscriber, become a subscriber and then hit notifications, the bell, the ding dong. We'll send a raven. And if you're local, maybe I'll show up at your doorstep one of these days and we can go out for a cup of coffee, because that leads me to the next thing, which is to do what next time? And until we meet again, you know what it is. Stay caffeinated, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. How do I get off this video? Like, seriously, like, here's a light. Woo. Oh, on a previous episode or another episode, Manfrotto is one of the other brands that I love to use. I love their products. They're high quality and they take a beating, for real though. They're just pretty amazing stuff. So yeah, and along with other bits and baubles and stuff like that. But yeah, Manfrotto, I didn't mention that because I just completely brain farted on another video. And so there you go. So if you saw the other video, it was Manfrotto. If you didn't see the other video, go watch the other video. No, go. Just go. Go ahead. Go ahead. Watch the video. I'll wait. Let me know when you're done. I'll wait. I wonder how much the jacket was like affecting this video. Let me know in the comments below. I'll wait. Did you let me know? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Waiting. I'm still waiting. Okay, I'm waiting. Isn't this like, I should feel like I should have outtakes, or not outtakes, but like credits going above my head right now. It's like, you know, like doing the movies. Maybe I will. Ooh, look at how big my hands look coming closer to the camera. It's like, dun, dun, dun. I have big bear claw hands. They're like the size of my head. They're really not. Kinda. Good gosh, I have big hands. That's kind of scary. So did you go check out the other episode yet? Did you? Let me know in the comments below. In the basement. In the kilt zone. Speaking of kilt, I'm rocking my new kilt. I actually had to make it smaller today too. By like an inch smaller. It's crazy. Gotta get down to being all the, you know. All right, let's wrap it up. What do you think? This is long enough. 7.5 minutes of just craziness and babble. Actually, it's less than that because I'm going to trim off the beginning of the video, but I might leave this at the end. I don't know. Maybe I'll just go with the whole thing. Let you guys just have to weed through the forest to get to the trees. I wonder if any of you guys have got the... Because the fact that nobody has picked up on that particular reference yet just drives me bananas. I feel like I'm taking crazy pills. Look at that, I'm even throwing a hint out. All right, I'm getting up out of the chair. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Okay, goodbye.